Hey, my name is Jared. I'm an occupational therapist and a lymphedema therapist, and this is my review of this outdoor mat. This material has stayed together very, very well. I've had this for about a year now. I keep this outside right by the pool, right by where the door cage opens and closes. I live in a really hot climate, in a climate that rains a lot, and this has really stood up very, very well. It has a non-slip material, which will keep it in place. I have a dog that goes in and out from the pool area, and it does a great job of collecting any debris, dog hair or dirt that the dog may track in. And then I can easily clean this using a brush as well, or a broom. It's, like I said, it's very long lasting. I've had this for about a year in a really, really hot climate, and it's really low profile. I can put this on either side of the pool door, and it will just slide right over it without any issues. I hope you guys take a look at it. This was a great investment for myself.